Top 10 AI productivity tools. Perplexity, AI research engine with source backed answers. Claude, long document analysis and advanced reasoning tasks. ChatGPT, general for fast AI assistants for writing, coding, and reasoning. Notion AI, AI for knowledge management and writing. Cursor, AI fast coding environment for developers. Cheaper AI automates workflow across thousands of apps. Gamma, AI driven presentation generation. Run AI powered video creation and editing. Mid Journey, high quality AI image generation. GitHub Copilot, AI fair programmers integrated with IDs. Research, writing knowledge, development, creative content, and automation.